Welcome back to Urban Creative. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Stefani 10-litre glazed ceramic water filter. With the hot water starting to hit in Melbourne, I thought it was the perfect time to set this up and see how we go with it. 9% removal of aluminium, chloroform, and like 6 other things I have no idea how to pronounce. So let's get this out and washed and have a look. I'm going to have to do a vacuum after this so that baby does not pick up any of the styrofoam bits. So there's our lid. Ceramic lid. 2 filters. Oh, it smells very plasticky. Tap. Warranty card, which we'll need. I'm assuming this is the container that the water goes in, the filters go in, and it goes through, and then we have the unit. Well, this is actually big. I mean, did get the 10 litre. I'm going to give this a good rinse, clean and wipe down, and we will be right back. You will see later on that I couldn't find any instructions, but luckily there was videos on YouTube, and I'll link the video in the description that I watched to just double check how to set this up. But it's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy to do, as you'll see as we move along. I will make sure to link where I got this from. I got it from Bunnings, and I will link the exact one that I actually got and the replacement filters. I will note before, when I mentioned the video I watched, it was the exact same unit, but it only had 1 filter in it, and the one I've bought has 2 in it. When I was doing my research before purchasing this, I did notice a lot of comments about it taking a long time to filter. Now this is a gravity filtration system, so it does take a little while for the water to actually filter through, so I just wanted to point that out for anyone considering one of these systems. Now I'm at the point of assembling all these pieces together. I made sure they're all thoroughly washed and wiped out with some hot soapy water, and also just a little bit of vinegar to sterilize, and then hot water again. As you can see, I'm just reading the boxes for the filters, which they're referred to as candles, just to see how I need to put them in and how I need to handle them. I did make a little bit of a mistake here. They do recommend wearing gloves and not touching the candle cartridge filter, whatever you want to refer to it as. So I would just make that note in future to maybe put gloves on as I'm assembling it, so that I'm not actually making contact with my fingers with the candle part that the water filters through. I'm definitely going to need that. Okay, do that one. We're gonna go. Oops, I've got to put the water on. Put that one on there. Oh, this one's actually quite hard to twist on. I'm assuming we want the water to filter through the candles and through the middle of these screws. That way the water is actually filtered. Would make sense, wouldn't it? I'm just so sick of filling up actual jugs. Okay, so we're going from this, which is a Brita, which has been fantastic. I just want to be able to get more water at a time, to this. Next thing, the tap. At least the tap comes with instructions. Which are on the back. Okay. So we're using the same size. So we're going this one on, going through the hole and putting the other washer on the other side inside and screwing this one on inside. This was pretty easy to put together. I'm really happy with the quality of it. We're really happy with how it's working. We've been using it non-stop since we bought it. Having this accessible on the bench has been great. It keeps the water cool. I wouldn't say fridge cold, but cool. And when we want fridge cold water, we've just been filtering a jug full and putting it in the fridge. There we have it, the Stefani filtration system. I'm really happy with it, would highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Jump over, subscribe and like for more videos and content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.